Storage Equipment Systems is excited to announce our new relationship with Fetch Robotics. We are eager to offer another automation and technology solution to our customers. In this ever-changing world, Storage Equipment Systems is ready to help you meet the challenge. As we explore Fetch Robotics, it is a good time to remind you that Storage Equipment Systems is your established and dependable material handling systems provider. We have longtime customers in every part of this valley, this state, and beyond. However, we are not content. We want to build on our decades of success with new technology, such as Fetch Robotics. At Storage Equipment Systems, we look to each project as an opportunity to deliver benefits that provide real and measurable results. In this short video, you will notice an assortment of material handling solutions that we offer, such as modular offices, ergonomic tools, push-back racking, dock equipment, and conveyors. We know these tools and systems. We have them working and on display in our own warehouse. You are always welcome to visit us at our Phoenix location. We would be happy to give you a tour of our facility and discuss these options with you. Let's get back to Fetch Robotics. Storage Equipment Systems is here to introduce you to an automation that is accessible and affordable today. What's unique? What's to like? Why did we choose Fetch Robotics? Over the next few minutes, you will see why the interface with these robots made the most sense for our customer base. This is an understandable merger of internet cloud technology and your operation. In just a couple of hours, we can have our Fetch demo unit operating within your facility. Our Fetch unit, a technician, and a controller will create a map of your operation in the amount of time it takes to walk the perimeters of your facility. This map is the Storage Equipment Systems office. It is helpful to name a few key locations on your map. Identifying robot locations is essential. These destinations dictate where the Fetch robot will follow your commands. The Fetch Robotics Workflow Builder is as easy as dragging optional commands from the left toolbar to the workflow sequence on the right. In this workflow, the robot is waiting for an employee to choose its next destination on the built-in HMI touchscreen. This example shows 13 choices on the screen, and additional options if you click the arrow below. You will observe the robot executing its assigned tasks. If you see the robot wait time is too short, the location is off slightly, or if the sound is too loud, simply make the changes in the workflow and it is applied on the next go-round. As you will learn in the demonstration, Fetch Robotics has brought the operation of the robot within your control. You will end up being the programming expert, and you will incorporate changes to your robot's workflow based on company demands and future needs. The benefit of any tool is best seen in application. These are Cart Connect robots engaged with Fetch carts. Cases picked are off to ship. These Cart Connects are delivering manufacturing supplies to keep production moving. Multiple layers of safety are built into every fetch robot. They will interact with their living and changing environment as they work through their assigned tasks. You will help optimize this interaction by editing travel paths within your map. This guidance and training is part of the initial fetch deployment agenda. The offices at this storage equipment systems customer are almost 270 feet away from the shipping area. Imagine the time they would save by sending their goods on a fetch robot. Fetch technology and workflow logic allow these cart connects to stage parts in sequence, helping employees to meet deadlines. Thank you for taking your time to review our launch video. We are excited to introduce this new adventure at Storage Equipment Systems with Fetch Robotics. You know your business and you know your challenges. We certainly look forward to hearing your application ideas for this technology. Adding automation to your workplace can streamline operations, increase deliverables, and boost employee morale. Let's get Fetch working for you.